Hello friends, welcome back to the mini video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friends, I am going to show you guys Redmi mobile setting, and today video title is guys how to set up Redmi mobile hotspot setting, how to use Redmi mobile hotspot setting one by one, step by step friends we will talk about. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel, click the bell icon, like the video. So friends, in your Redmi mobile you want to use hotspot setting. How to use hotspot setting? Open your phone setting. After turn phone setting friends, you can see this type interface in your Redmi mobile. In your Redmi mobile, scroll down here, open your phone portable hotspot setting. You want to on your hotspot setting, so friends you can on your hotspot setting. Turn off hotspot automatic setting is here, one time data limit setting is here. So friends, you will click here password option and you can check your hotspot password. And you want to change your hotspot password, you can change your hotspot password, and your password should at least 8 digit. If you 7 digit password, 7 letters, so you cannot change. 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4. Right click here, hotspot password will change. You have new hotspot password in your Redmi mobile. And friends, if you click here, so you can change your device name. Friends, I will change here hotspot Redmi. Right click here, hotspot device name will rename in your Redmi mobile. Friends, if you turn on your portable hotspot, so you can check here QR code option, share QR code mobile to mobile nearby device. Friends, you want to use internet, you want to share your Wi-Fi network, you want to share your hotspot, you can share with QR code. And if you click here one time data limit setting, so friends you can on data limit and you can set your data limit size 50 MB, 100, 150, 200. If you click here custom friends, 1.2 GB, 3 GB, 4 GB you want to set here. MB and GB you can select and you can set. So friends, I will set here 200 MB only. Turn off hotspot automatic setting when no devices are connected. So friends, if you on this setting in your Android mobile and in your Redmi mobile, when no devices are connected with your Redmi mobile hotspot, your mobile hotspot will off automatic after few minutes. Friends, scroll down here, click here connected device setting, limited of connected device setting. Friends, click here, you can set your limited of connected device 1 2 3 4 you can set. And if you click here, so friends you can check your hotspot block list and you have blocked any device, so you can unblock. Bye friends, thanks for watching the video. Now friends, you can use your hotspot setting in your Redmi mobile. Bye.